Welcome to Piano Video Lessons Year 1, Unit 2. This is lesson number 10, and today we're going to be learning to play the piece called C's in Space. In our last lesson, we learned to recognize treble C and bass C, and these are very important notes in this piece of music. So if for some reason you did not cover lesson number 9, video 25, you should go back and do that now. So here we have, YouTube video 26 today, and if you're not at pianovideolessons.com, I do recommend you join us there. Just click up here in the top corner in the info card. So what you're going to have to do first is locate the pedals on your piano. If you only have one on your keyboard, it's the damper pedal. So you're going to press that down with your foot, and you're going to hold it through the entire time you play this piece. We don't have to have the pedal down just yet. I'm just preparing you for that eventuality. If you have no pedal, don't worry. If you're playing on a piano, you want to use the farthest right pedal that is located down there. So let's have a quick look at this piece. First of all, what is the time signature? The time signature is 4/4 time or 4/4 time. And the title is C's in Space. Now, looking at this piece, what dynamics should we play with? First line is marked with a P, so it will be played piano, which is a gentle touch. Then we don't see any changes here until the second line. Then it says forte, so F is for forte, so we'll play strongly through this line, nice and loud. And then on the next line, the last line, we'll go back to piano and finish it off. So I see lots of whole notes that are holding for 4 beats. And then I see 4/4 and a 4-beat note, 4/4 and a 4-beat note, and then some more 4-beat whole notes to finish off the piece. So I'm seeing some rhythmic patterns. Now I'm going to look at the notes. And I know that 3 spaces down in the bass staff is a landmark note. Which one is it? It's bass C. It says to play it with finger 3. So I know that this lower staff is always played with my left hand. So I'm going to play that finger 3 with my left hand. The next note here is middle C. So it says to use my same finger 3. So I'm going to actually move my left hand from this bass C up to middle C. And did you notice when I moved my hand, I released my fingers and then I let them hang towards the piano keys, just relaxing them. And then I just prepared my third finger to land on middle C. All right, in the next measure, it says to use finger 3 for right hand, and it's 3 spaces up this time, so that's another landmark note. Which note is that? It's treble C, and that one's going to hold for 4, and then it says to use finger 3 and play this landmark note, which is middle C. So again, I'm going to relax my whole playing mechanism, let my hand fall loosely, then I'll prepare my finger 3 to catch the weight of my hand when I land on this middle C. So let's just try this first line. I'm going to press the damper pedal with my right foot, and I'm going to play with all these finger 3s while counting to 4. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's just the very beginning of this piece. All right. Looking at the next line, I see my thumb is on middle C and it goes line, space, line, space. So I'm stepping up the notes. I'm going to be playing forte here. Then I see the note treble C. It's the 3rd space up, but there's a note above here that says left hand 3 over. So I'm going to play these 4 notes nice and forte. And then I'm going to cross my left hand finger 3 over and hold for 4. Then right away, I'm going to bring my left hand thumb to this note here. You know this one, middle C, and I'm going to walk from line to space to line to space in 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it says right hand, finger 3 over, and it's over to the landmark C, bass C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, finger 3, finger 3, finger 3, finger 3. This line is exactly the same as the first line. So it will go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm going to play the whole piece now from the beginning. Piano. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now my thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now it's your turn. I want you to look over your entire piece of music. I want you to find the patterns in the rhythms and the notes. I want you to point to the notes and name them all. Look for these stepping up notes and stepping down notes, and then play it as beautifully as you can. Practice this until it's easy to play it with a nice steady beat, counting the whole time, making sure you have your dynamics, piano and forte throughout the entire piece. And I would like you to join me in our next lesson, lesson number 11, video 27, where we're going to learn to play Ode to Joy by Beethoven. And this one's going to be lots of fun because we're going to be playing with both hands, and everyone will love to play this song. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson.